Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm bringing you an easy last minute NYE makeup tutorial. So we're starting. All right, let's go. So I'm dipping into my Nervina palette from Anastasia, and I'm taking that light shade called Base. I'm just applying it to my brow bone to help lighten everything up and to help bring out my features as well. And I'm also applying this shade to my inner corner as well, just because the look is going to get quite dark and I want to keep the inner corner light. Now next, I'm switching to my NYE original palette, and I'm taking that beautiful yellowy orange mustard shade, and I'm applying it to my crease to act as a transition for this look. And I'm just slowly taking my time building up this shade. And I'm also applying it to my lower lash line to help act as a transition color there too. Now next, I'm taking this beautiful brown shade from the NYE palette, and it has this like beautiful blue duochrome finish to it, and it just looks so, I don't know, beautiful on your eyelid, and I think it's perfect for a last minute NYE tutorial. So I'm just packing this shade on into my crease just to help build up the intensity. I'm also applying it to my lower lash line so everything joins up nicely. Now next, I'm switching over to my Nervina palette, and I'm taking that beautiful like deep dark blue shade called Soul, and I'm just applying it to my crease and my outer corner to help darken the look up a little bit. And I loved how the blue really tied in everything from this look. So yeah, I'm just applying that and building it up. I'm also adding it to my lower lash line again, just so we get a more smoky finish. Now next, I'm switching over to the NYE palette, and I'm just taking that darker brown, and I'm applying it again to my outer corner and my crease area, just so we darken up the look even more and create more drama and intensity. Because, you know, guys, it is NYE, so if you're gonna go all out, go all out. I'm also applying it to my lower lash line as well. Now next, I'm just blending everything out so we get a nice smoky and hazy finish and there's no harsh lines. Oh, don't you just love this look? I do. It brings out so many different tonal variations of colors. I love it. And next, I'm dipping into the beautiful purple shimmer shade called Celestial from the Nervina palette. I'm just applying it to my inner corner. Now next, I'm just cleaning everything up with a bit of concealer. And just carefully blending that out since I already did my base makeup. Now next, I'm just applying a generous coat, or a couple coats actually, of mascara to both my top lashes and my bottom lashes to help prepare them from falsies. And these are the ones I'm using from Kiss. Now next, I'm taking my NYX glitter glue, and I'm just applying that to my inner corner, a little bit on the top of my eyelid, and as well a little bit on my lower eyelid to help act as an adhesive for the glitter we're using, which is by Festival Face, and I believe it's in the shade or a color Mermaid Scales. And guys, look how beautiful it is. Oh my god, I can't. It is so perfect for New Year's Eve. Oh, you need to get your hands on this. Like, it's so beautiful, and guys, this did not hurt my eyes at all. Now next, I'm just lining my lower lash line using a MAC's Black Track Fluid Line liner just to create a more dramatic look again. And I'm applying it to my upper lash line as well. And to finish the look off, I'm basically lining my lips using, can you guys guess it? NYX Lip Liner in Natural, just to help outline my lips and create a little bit more depth and definition there. Now, next I'm taking this, I think it's a Tarte lip paint or a Tarteist lip paint, so I'll leave it linked down below in case you guys are wondering, but yeah, it's just a long wearing nude lip color basically. Now next, I'm taking my Fenty Gloss Bomb. This is the original shade just because I wanted more of a glossy look. And yeah, I just applied it to my lips and I think it really helped to tie in everything together. And I personally love glossy lips. I don't know about you guys. And now lastly, what I always do is spray my face using the Glam Glow Glow Getter setting spray just to help set my face so nothing moves and also to help get rid of the powdery look. And yeah, just fanning my face to make sure everything dries properly and there's no little bubbles on my face or anything like that that would leave marks from the spray. And so yeah, that's it guys. This is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, definitely let me know what your comments are down below, whether you like this look, if you're going to be rocking it for NYE. Subscribe if you want to, it really helps the girl out and I would really appreciate it. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications. And yeah, that's pretty much it guys. This is my last video for 2018. I hope you guys have an awesome NYE and such an awesome beginning to 2019. And I will see you guys soon in the new year. Thanks for watching. I love you and bye.